I think that Kayan will also come quick. Now, जब तक वे अब आए, we will start the review. Now look at this picture. Now first of all, which picture is this, Rhea? Omar? Which picture is that? Kaaba. Very nice. Khana-e Kaaba. It's a house of Allah and we perform Hajj over there. Okay? Yes. Now look at the second picture. You can see this. Yes. This is the mountain of Safa and Marwa. This
mountain,
is the
mountain. पहाड़ है ना, बड़े बड़े बिग पहाड़, इनके नाम क्या है?
Okay, we can do sahi over there. We can do sahi over there. What is the meaning of sahi? Sahi means walk fastly in between two mountains, Safa and Marwa. किसको सही कहते हैं? सही कहते हैं उस चीज को, उस वॉक को जो सफा और मरवा के बीच के रास्ते पे की जाती है, लेकिन नॉट स्लोली, a little bit fast. ठीक है? And you can see the other picture. It's a tent area where we go and stay. जब हम परफॉर्म करने के लिए खाने काबा जाते हैं, तो अब हमें रात को सोना भी तो है ना, तो हम इन टेंट्स में सोते हैं. ठीक है? Then the other step of performing Hajj step is drinking Zamzam water. Drinking Zamzam water. And I tell you in the story कि Zamzam water किस तरह से निकल के आया था और बीबी हाजरा ने किस तरह हजरत इस्माइल को सफा और मरवा के माउंटेन पे लेटा दिया था, तो फिर वो उसी जगह से वो वाटर निकल के आया था. Then see the other picture. You can see the other picture. These are pebbles. Pebbles are small stones. Pebbles are small stones which collected from the area of Safa and Marwa. जो कि सफा और मरवा की पहाड़ी रास्तों में से कलेक्ट किया जाता है. और what we do with it? We can throw these pebbles on 3 शैतान. क्योंकि हजरत इब्राहिम अलैहिस्सलाम सैक्रिफाइसेशन देने गए थे,
3 शैतान, 1 2 3.
उस वक्त शैतान ने उनको मना किया था कि डोंट गिव द सैक्रिफाइसेशन, डोंट गिव द सैक्रिफाइस. तो उन्होंने फिर क्या किया था? उसको अपने सामने से हटा दिया था. अब उस एक्शन को रिमेम्बरेंस के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? वी कैन कलेक्ट द पेबल्स और फिर थ्रो करते हैं शैतान पे. ठीक है ना? देन फाइनली व्हाट वी डू? फाइनली वी कैन डू द sacrification of animals. Which 4 animals we give the sacrification? Sheep,
4 animals, sheep,
goat,
goat, cow, camel. आप नीचे
camel and cow. हम 4 animals की sacrification देते हैं. Sheep, goat, sheep,
देखिए, camel,
goat,
camel,
very nice,
cow,
and cow. Want to see the picture of cow? हाँ भाई, मेरे पास एक पिक्चर है जो सैक्रिफाइजेशन के लिए काउ, मैंने उसको देखा था. Look at this picture. This cow is ready to give the sacrification.
sacrifice कर
Okay,
रहे हैं ना,
and she is not
God के लिए
crying.
कुर्बानी कर
She
रहे
is
हैं ना,
happy because she is giving the sacrification.
crying also, crying
Okay,
कर रही है, कैसे काटता
now
है?
we will do some review of the hygiene box as well. Do you remember the hygiene box which teacher prepared for you? Remember this box? Magic hygiene box. अब हम इसको अपने हज स्टेप से कनेक्ट करेंगे. Now, first of all, I will show you what is this. Umar, you can also speak. I want your voice too. What is this? Bathroom se. What is this? Tooth. Tooth. Yes. What we do with our tooth? We can do brushing. Brush our teeth. Up, down, left, right. Down and right. And how many times we do brushing? First we do in the time, then we do in the night time. We can do twice a time, daytime, night time. When we go to the performing Hajj, we can also brush or miswak with our teeth because it should be clean. Okay. Scissor. Back scissor. What we do next? We can do next to cut our nails. Cut our nails. Acha, very important thing which I am sharing with you. If we are giving the sacrification on the 10th of Zilhaj, so before 1st of Zilhaj, we can cut our nails. First Zilhaj से पहले हमें अपने nails कट कर लेने हैं. फर्स्ट जिलहज से पहले, ठीक है ना? ये ग्रीन कलर की. फर्स्ट जिलहज से पहले हमें अपने नेल्स कट कर लेने हैं विद द सीजर. यू कैन सी आई एम कटिंग. I am cutting nails small. See? Then what we do? We can comb our hair, but before combing, we can wash our comb. We are giving the sacrification on the 10th of Zilhaj. जब हम 10th of Zilhaj को अपनी sacrification देते होते हैं, after sacrification we have to cut our hairs. उससे पहले हमें अपने बाल नहीं तरशवाने हैं, यानी काटने नहीं है अपने बाल. हम हज की परफॉर्मेंस अगर कर रहे होते हैं तो हम खाने काबा में जाके सैक्रिफाइजेशन देने के बाद ही अपने हेयर्स को कट करवाते हैं, ठीक है? लेकिन जब हम कोम को यूज करेंगे, बिफोर यूजिंग कोम वी हैव टू वॉश इट. एंड द हाइजीन थिंग इज tissue and handkerchief. And use me when your nose is going to run, when your face or mouth is going to be dirty, when you are sneezing, so you can use. Look, teacher is sneezing and teacher use the tissue. When we feel our mouth is going to dirty, we can clean our mouth area with the tissue. When we are having running nose, so we can clean our running nose with tissue. And after using, we can throw inside the dustbin. Okay? Don't throw on the floor. Don't throw somewhere else. Just throw inside the dustbin. On the head, you can clean your face, mouth, and try to be in the wudu all the time. So these are the hygiene. We can do this with the our Hajj performing as well, and we can try to follow this in our daily life. Okay? Okay? Say okay, then I understand. Unmute yourself. Quick. All of you. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Show your thumbs up, all of you, if you understand.
Muhammad, what are you drinking? Oh, Rani Palpi. Muhammad is drinking something.
Look, Muhammad has drinking something. It's a cylinder in shape, and we called it cane.
Yes. You can see and find out the things which you are using. Which shape?
So many things around us. Cylinder, solid in shape.
Now, Miss Ashley, will you sing any poem?
Rehab, tell me which poem you want to sing with me.
You have to.
Rehab, which poem? Which is your favorite poem?
Round and round, round.
Roly poly.
Rehab, London Bridge or Roly Poly? I don't understand which thing you want to listen the poem.
Round and round.
Round and round. Okay. The wheel on a bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on a bus go round and round all day long, all day long. The pupil and the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The pupil on the bus go up and down, all day long, all day long. The door on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, all day long. The horn on the bus go beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus go beep, 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 all day long, all day long. The wiper on the bus goes sweet, 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 sweet. The wiper on the bus goes sweet, 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 all day long, all day long. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, 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 all day long. The mommy on the bus, the mommy on the bus goes all day long. The father on the bus goes, I love you, I love you, I love you. The father on the bus goes, I love you, I love you, all day long. The wheel on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheel on the bus goes round and round, all day long, all day long.
Very nice. Well done.
Now, Shayan, Heather, which poem you want to singing with me? Shayan, Heather, which is your favorite poem? Shayan, Heather, are you listening to me?
Teacher.
Shayan,
कौन सी पोएम सुनेंगे बताइए अच्छा
which
ओके
poem?
he's thinking
Which poem?
बताइए
Umar Danish,
Roly poly.
Umar Danish, can you tell me which poem you want to sing with me?
Roly poly.
Roly Poly. Okay, now. Roly poly, do the action with me, Shan. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, in, in. Roly poly, out, out, out. Roly poly, slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow, slow. Roly poly, fast, fast, fast. I am flying.
I like this poem.
I am flying up and down. I am flying up and down. Now in this way, now in that way. I am flying round and round. I am flying round and round. Clapping,
Clapping,
clapping. I
clapping.
am clapping up and down. I'm clapping up and down. Now I'm this way. Now I'm that way. I am clapping round and round. I am clapping, round and round. Jumping,
Jump,
jumping. Everyone jumping, jumping, jumping. I am jumping up and down. I am jumping up and down. Now I'm this way. Now I'm that way. I am jumping round and round. I am jumping round and round.
Very nice. Thank you, Miss Ashi. Now Miss Turfa is there with us. Hello, Miss Turfa. How are you? Miss, we are not hear you.
Do you guys hear me?
Yes.
Do you
How are you, Miss?
How are you all?
I am fine. So, which thing you bring today for us? आज कौन सा सरप्राइज लाई है मिस तुरफा?
Remember, we learned about Alhamdulillah. We should always say Alhamdulillah because Allah Ta'ala gave us so many blessings. Right? Look, I'm going to show
Please
you.
keep your mic in front of your mouth. Voice is very low.
Okay. Okay, now look. Look what the girl is doing. Yes, she's smelling the flower. Yes. Who gave us nose to smell the flowers? Who gave us nose? Yes, who gave us nose? किसने बनाई है? Allah Ta'ala ne. Yes, Allah Ta'ala make our nose na. So we should say Alhamdulillah. What should we say? Alhamdulillah.
We should say Alhamdulillah.
For giving us nose. Okay? Alhamdulillah for giving us nose. Okay? Now look at the next picture, which is here it comes. Now tell me who gave us ears? Who gave us ears? Allah Ta'ala gave us yes, Allah Ta'ala gave us air to hear, okay? Without air, we can't hear, okay? हमें कुछ सुनाई नहीं देगा अगर हमारे ears नहीं होंगे तो. So we should thank Allah Ta'ala for giving us ears, okay? We should say Alhamdulillah. What should we say?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah for giving me ears, okay? Now look at the next picture. Okay, here it is. Look, there is Mama Baba in the picture. Mama Baba, Bhaiya, and our sister. Yes. Who gave us Mama Baba and Bhaiya and Api? Allah Ta'ala, na? Allah Ta'ala gave us a beautiful and a wonderful family. So we should thank Allah Ta'ala. Okay? What should we say? Alhamdulillah for giving us wonderful family. What should we say?
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Allah Ta'ala gave us so many blessings. So we should always say Alhamdulillah. Okay? Okay, Shayan? We should always say Alhamdulillah. And now, Miss Iram, I'm going to play a rhyme for you, okay? Listen, okay?
But if you guys are not showing the thumbs up, I will not play. Show your thumbs up first. Yay.
Yes.
Muhammad,
I'm
show
going
your
to
thumbs
listen.
up. Muhammad, Omar, you can also show your thumbs up. Very good. Now I will play.
Listen. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Miss Iram voice is little low.
Now it's fine.
No. We are friends. Alhamdulillah. Oh, Allah. Did you guys listen carefully? Yes, Shayan. Okay, they are saying we should always say Alhamdulillah. Okay.
Voice is not clear.
Voice is not clear.
No,
Should I play
we
it
can't
again?
listen. Put the mic on the speaker.
Yes, I put it, but I think
Fine,
net
Fine.
service is so slow. That's why. क्योंकि yesterday हमने चलाया था तो बिल्कुल clear आवाज थी ना, Mr. Fa?
I think there is a connection, internet issues or something. Okay, remember we should always say Alhamdulillah. Okay. And do this time in your homes as well. Okay.
And I share this poem in the homework slot university. You can watch the video over there as well. Okay, I posted.
Yes. Okay. Now let's begin with our story. Okay.
Umar is tired.
Do you guys hear me?
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
Okay. Hide and seek. I'm going to show you a picture. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay, look. What are they doing?
Mama और अजय मामा नीचे आते
This
They are playing hide and seek. What are they doing?
Hi,
They are playing hide and seek. Can you see us? Her friends are hiding from him and asking, can you see us? They are hiding, okay, and playing hide and seek. Okay. Now look at the second picture. Look, someone is hiding inside the box and asking, can you see me? Yes, I can see you. Look, he find his one friend. Look, he find his one friend. Yes.
is playing hide and seek.
They are playing hide and seek. His friend is hiding from him and he find his one. Okay. Now look at your screen. I'm going to show you next picture. Here it is. Look. They are playing hide and seek and they find her one friend hiding in a yes, look, there is someone hiding in a box and someone is top at the tree. Look, someone is hiding under the tree. Who is hiding at the tree? Look, ट्री पे कौन छुपा हुआ है? We can see them in the next picture. Okay, who is hiding in the tree? Okay, look. Look, who is hiding inside the box? Look, they found him. Who is he? Who is he? Tell me, I'm asking you guys now. Who is he hiding inside the box? They find him.
He is Skipper.
Yes, he is Kipper. Kipper is hiding inside the box and his friend find him. Okay. And who is hiding at the tree? Look. कौन है ये?
I think he is Dad.
Do you think so? He is Dad.
I think so.
Let's see next picture. Who is he? Okay. Hiding. I'm going to show
उसमें तुमने अपना कप खराब कर लिया।
He was Dad.
He is
Why you are shouting, bete?
Dad is hiding at the top of the tree. Look, Dad. They find that. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Turfa, for giving your time to our champ babies. Umar, still you are playing. Umar, look at me. Look at Miss Turfa. She is saying something to you. कैसे serious देखा उमर ने?
Yes. Okay, Umar. I'm going, Umar.
Say Allah Hafiz to teacher. Say Allah Hafiz. Miss Turfa is going. Say bye bye.
Hafiz.
Bye bye करें Miss Turfa को जल्दी से. Bye. Oh, Mohammed bye bye करें. Quick. Very nice, Mohammed. Thank you, Miss Turfa. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
बाय 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 बाय. अब उमर बाय बाय तो कर रहे हैं लेकिन उमर उस वक्त नहीं बोल रहे थे. यस मोहम्मद से बाय बाय. मोहम्मद जी बाय बाय तो बहुत अच्छे से बोलते हैं. बाय बाय.
Bye bye.
It's time to go. Take a rest, okay, and take care of yourself. Good care, and take care of your sacrifice animal as well. Fine.
Bye bye, Muhammad. Bye bye.
See you on day after tomorrow. Thank you. Umar, I need your picture with the sheep which we prepare with the cotton. Umar, look at this. I need this picture. मुझे आपकी वाली पिक्चर चाहिए. Fine.
ये वाली बना.
जो हमने कॉटन से sheep बनाई थी वो वाली पिक्चर.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
कर लो बाय बाय कर लो. He is saying bye bye to us. हाँ?
Bye bye. I love you. Umar, bye bye.
I love you. बोलो. I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
Love you too.
You love me. Teacher से तो बात ही नहीं करते आप.
I
Or you
love
love to
बोलो.
teacher. You didn't talk to teacher. When teacher is asking something, you didn't reply. ये कैसा love है? हाँ उमर.
ये जाने वाला लव है, ये गुड बाय वाला लव है.
हैं उमर? हैं?
ये गुड बाय वाला लव है कि जब आप जा रही हैं तो अल्लाह हाफिज, गुड बाय, आई लव यू.
हैं उमर? ऐसा love है ये वाला? अच्छा क्लास के बाद मुझे जल्दी से शीप बना के और अपनी पिक्चर खींच के भेजेंगे. फाइन. उमर आई एम वेटिंग. ठीक है. कॉटन से शीप बनाएंगे और मुझे अपनी पिक्चर खींच के भेजेंगे. फाइन. ओके. से अल्लाह हाफिज. अल्लाह हाफिज. अल्लाह
अल्लाह
हाफिज.
हाफिज.
मोहम्मद स्टिल अभी तक यहीं पे. उनकी मम्मा आएंगी बंद करेंगी.